this is going to happen. If I perform the same thing, I'm going to lose 98,000 in the next 100 trades, which is in the next 10 weeks. That is 2.5 months. This is how you can project your trading results. That's simple. You need to modify your systems or risk reward ratios or whatever it is. This is a saying, you need to modify it. This is going to change someone's life. Hello traders. In this video, I'm going to analyze my trades to increase profits. By analyzing these trades, I can pinpoint where the issues are so that I can fix them in upcoming trading sessions so that I can improve my trading week on week. And after next week also, I am going to do the same kind of session. I am going to analyze my trades, next week's trades as well. Let's get into this current week's trades. What are the issues I am seeing and how I can fix them? Let's get into it. Let's start the session with a quote. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. In trading, we can measure everything. We can measure and backtest every data, and this our trades data is very much important, and it's a treasure wealth of information for improving ourselves, improving our trading. But no one thinks about it. Everyone thinks about the strategy, all those things. But our trading results are the main important data, and if we can understand it clearly, we can move in right direction. You or me, anyone can move in the right direction. I am going to show you how you can do that. And to follow along with me, you need these details. You may not need this strategy name or entry and exit times. You need these three: initial risk, reward, whether it is a profit or loss, and the brokerage. You need to know approximate brokerage so that you can calculate it. If you have a strategy name, entry time and exit times, so that you will know in detail which strategy is working for you, at what times and at what entry times it's working, and when it's not working. You will know that if you are collecting these two details. If you are only working on one strategy, then you don't need anything. You just need the entry times. But it's better to have all these 5 details. You should note down all these details while you are trading. These are the current trades I have taken last week, almost 10 trades. These are the 10 trades, and all the profitable trades I have highlighted with the green. 1, 2 and 3. 3 trades are green trade profitable trades, and almost here are 4 trades, 5th one, and 6 trades are losing trades, and 1 is break even. Total 10 trades. Out of 10 trades, 6 trades are losing trades, 3 trades are winning trades, and 1 trade is a break even trade. So I am noting down all these details: date and the strategy that I used to enter, and the entry time, and the risk I used for initially entering the trade, and also reward, and what is the RR. Here on this trade, I took a risk of 15 points on 2 lots, and I gained 29 points of profit, and the RR is 1.93. And on this trade, on this second trade, I took a risk of 27 points, and I lost 27 points, which is a minus 1 R. So I denoted with minus 1 R. Here, if I see another example, I took a risk of 27 points and I lost 9 points, which is equivalent to minus 0.38 R. And here one more example, I took a risk of 20 points and lost 9 points, RR 0.45 R negative. These are the kind of details I have noted down. You need these details to analyze your trading results. Based on that information, we are going to calculate this number of profitable trades and a number of losing trades. Earlier I showed you with my data, I took a total 10 trades, and in those 10 trades, 6 trades are losing trades and 3 trades are profitable trades, 1 break even. So we are going to calculate that. It's just an easy thing. And after that, I am going to show you how to calculate win-loss ratio. Win-loss ratio is also simple. I took total 10 trades. Let's assume losing trades as 7. We are going to calculate this win-loss ratio. I'll show you how in details later. For now, we'll leave it. And also average profitable trade amount and average losing trade amount. You need to know these 2 details. This is an important piece of information in your trading. And average winner and average loser ratio. These ratios will calculate based on the third point values. That is average profitable trade amount and average losing trade amount. And based on all these 4 metrics, I am going to calculate the expectancy. This expectancy can be used to project your trading success. My trading success, your trading success. Anyone, whoever is using these metrics to calculate, you can calculate your trading success. I am going to show you mine, what happened this week. And here, these are the example trade details. These are my trade details. Total trades are 10. And out of those total trades, profitable trades are 3 and losing trades are 7. So based on these details, I am going to calculate win-loss ratio. This is a formula for calculating win ratio, that is winners ratio or profitable trades ratio. You can do that by number of profitable trades divided by number of total trades. Number of total trades is 10 and profitable trades are 3. 3 divided by 10 is 0.3. Win rate is 30% and loss rate is number of losing trades by total trades. 7 divided by 10, it is 0.7% and the loss ratio is 70%. I hope you are clear till now. I'm not doing anything as of now, just collected the trade details, calculating the win-loss ratio. Profitable trades divided by number of total trades and losing trades divided by total trades. I'm getting a win ratio and loss ratio. So we are going to use these details later while calculating the expectancy of our trading system or my entire trades. This week's entire trades, I'm going to calculate the expectancy based on these values. And next we need average winner amount and average loser amount. We can calculate this average winner amount and average loser amount by adding all the profitable trades and divided by number of profitable trades. And average losing amount is also same. We can calculate average winning amount by adding all the profitable trades and dividing by total number of profitable trades. Here I have 3 trades. These are the amounts, 3 trades amounts divided by 3. And this is the average winning trades amount. And for average losing amount is also calculated in the same manner. You need to add all the losing trades and divided by number of losing trades. Just note down all the losing trades. Here in my case, number of losing trades are 7 and this one is a break even. So I added it to losing trades. So it will be easier. Instead of break even and removing break even trade from the number, it will be easier. That's why I'm doing this. Number of losing trades are 7. Average losing amount is this one 1814 and average winning amount is 2433. I hope you are clear till now. Let's revise once again. I'm taking all these values from here. Let's check back once again. Winning amount is 2900, one trade, profitable trade, and a second profitable trade just 200 and third profitable trade 4200. These are the numbers I am using here: 2900, 200 and 4200 divided by 3. And let's check losing trades. Let me change the color to black. Losing trades 27, 22 and 900, 2100, 900 and 3900. Let's check the values. These are the same numbers that I showed you earlier. Average of all those numbers is 1814. Let's go back to this slide once again. Total number of trades, calculating win-loss ratio based on a total number of trades, and calculating average winner amount and average loser amount based on these values, these reward column values. I hope you understood this clearly. If not, let me know in comments. I'll explain this in a next week's video clearly if you are not able to understand. And next one is I'm going to calculate average winner ratio. Average winner ratio is calculated by dividing average winner with the average loser. In my case, average winner is 2433 and average loser is 1814. So this is used to calculate the RR, risk reward. So here in this case, my average RR is 1.34. So if I'm risking 1000 rupees, I am able to make 1340 rupees on a single trade. This is the RR for overall 10 trades that I am seeing. Before proceeding further, let's go back and revise these concepts in another presentation. I have created a PDF file so that I can show you exactly what is going on. Here you need all these details to understand your trading results, where your trading journey is going. You need a strategy name, entry and exit times, initial risk, reward, whether it is a profit or loss, and the brokerage approximate. If you know exactly, that's fine. If you don't know, you can add an approximate value. Even if it's on higher side, that's okay. You need these 5 values and at least 10 to 20 trades data is necessary. 10 to 20 trades data is mandatory to exactly pinpoint the issue. What's the issue? Otherwise, it is very difficult to identify the issue. Based on those details, we'll be calculating number of winning trades, number of losing trades, and the total number of trades. We'll get this total number of trades anyway easily. And based on the above information, we'll be calculating this win-loss ratio. And after that, we'll be calculating average winner amount and average loser amount. We'll see in detail how we can calculate it using our formulas. I'm going to give you all these formulas. You don't worry about it. And if you want, I'll even provide the Excel sheet to calculate them easily. And after that, I'll be calculating average winner and average loser ratio. what is the relationship between this winner amount and the loser amount. Winner means profitable trades amount, average profitable trades amount, and average losing trades amount. We'll calculate the relationship. If I'm risking 1000, what is the amount that I'm getting in a profitable trade, whether it is a 2000, 3000. With that, we can calculate the risk reward ratio for all the trades. And finally, we'll calculate the expectancy, so that this tells us everything about our trading. Whatever I did in the last week, I'm going to know about my trading. Here I'm going to show you my data. This is the data, and this is the table copied from this Excel sheet. These are the 10 trades that I did last week. 3 profitable trades, 1, 2. These are the 10 trades that I executed last week. These trades are on Monday, Tuesday. 2 trades are on Tuesday, 2 trades on Wednesday, and Thursday 1 trade, Friday 1 trade. Okay, and 3 trades are profitable, 1 trade, second trade, and third trade. And out of these 6 trades are losing trades. Here you can see 4 trades in a series, and a 5th trade and 6th trade, and 1 trade is a break even. This is a reward is a PNL values. So these are the values. Here you can see all those values in a table format. I have taken total 10 trades. Out of those 10 trades, these are the breakdowns. 2 winning trades and 1 small profit. I have added here in a very detail 1 small profit and 1 break even trade and 1 losing trade. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this as winning trades, 3 winning trades and 7 losing trades, so that we can do the calculation very easily. And based on the above details, I'm going to calculate the win-loss ratio. Win ratio is calculated by number of winning trades by number of total trades. Loss ratio is also calculated in the same manner, number of losing trades divided by number of total trades. Here in my case, number of winning trades are 3 and the total trades are 10. So it is equals to 0.3, which means my win ratio is 30% on these 10 trades, and loss ratio is losing trades are 7 and the total trades are 10. So 0.7, and which equals to 70% of losing trades. Winners are 30 and losers are 70%. 30%, 70%. This is done. And here, before going further, you need to know these details. My win ratio is at 30%. So let's check what is the RR needed to be in profitable, slightly profitable or profitable. Let's check these details. I hope you know this RR, risk reward ratios, 1:1 and 1:2 risk reward ratios. What it means 1:1 risk reward ratio is, if I am risking 1000 on a trade, I am going to get 1000 on a profitable trade. For this system to work out, you need more than 50% win rate on a 1:1 risk reward ratio. If you are risking 1000, then you are going to get 1000. So your win ratio should be more than 50%. If it's 50%, you will get break even. It should be more than 50. 60% or 70% winning trades should be there if you are trading on 1:1 risk reward. Here let's see. In my case, 3 winners, and if the average win amount is 1000, it's a plus 3000, and 7 losers, average losing amount is 1000, so the losing amount is 7000. So net equals to minus 4000. With a 30% win rate, if I'm using 1:1 risk reward ratio, I'll be losing 4000 over 10 trades. Here 1 R equals to 1000. So I'm going to lose 4R over these 10 trades. If we go with the 1:2 risk reward ratio, here it is the same. 1:2 risk reward ratio means if I'm risking 1000 on each trade, I'm going to get 2000 when a trade is profitable. Here in my case, 3 trades are winners. So I'm going to make 3 multiplied by 2000. That is a profitable amount because it is a 1:2 risk reward ratio, and a profit is a 6000. For losers, losing amount is the same, 1000 rupees. 7 multiplied by 1000 equals to 7000. So in this case also, I'm going to lose 1000, which is a 1 R. In this case, it is 1 R. If the ratio is 1:2 with a 30% win ratio, I'm going to lose 1 R over 10 trades. Here I'm not including the brokerage. Without including the brokerage, I'm going to lose 1 hour. And let's go to third scenario, 1:3 risk reward. And here also it's the same. If I am risking 1000 on each trade, I am going to get 3000 on a profitable trade. With this system, I am going to make a profit of 2000 on 10 trades. I am showing you 10 trades because I executed 10 trades. It's a round number so that it is easy to understand. That's why I am showing you. And my winners are 3, that is 30%. 3 multiplied by 3000, that is a winner, and which is equals to 9000. The losing trades, 7 trades multiplied by 1000, that is the amount I am risking, equals to 7000, plus 9000 minus 7000 equals to 2000. On a series of 10 trades with a 1:3 risk reward, I'm going to make 2R, which is plus 2000. So with a 30% win rate system, I'm going to be profitable, slightly profitable. Here I mentioned slightly profitable with 1:3 risk reward ratio. Let's move forward and let's check 1:4 risk reward ratio. If I am risking 1000, if I am going to make 4000, this is not easy. 1:3, 1:4, it is not at all easy, and you won't find these trades that much easily. It is very difficult to catch these trades. Psychology to hold this trade is also very tough. So let's go through it and we'll discuss that later. If I'm risking 1000, I'm going to make 4000 with a 1:4 risk reward ratio. And with this 1:4 risk reward ratio and 30% win rate, even if I'm trading 10 trades, I'm going to make 5000. That is 5R. Let's see the breakdown. 3 trades multiplied by 4000, which is a 12,000, and 7 trades multiplied by 1000 equals to 7000. If we combine these two numbers, we'll get plus 5000, which is a 5R. 5000 over 10 trades. I'm using 30% win rate. I'm not changing it because that is my win rate this current week, this last week. And you can do the exercise of this 1:5 RR or 1:6 RR. These numbers are very difficult to hold on to the trades. It is not easy for a beginner, and I am giving you the numbers for 1:5 R, 1:5 RR. You can check for 1:6 RR on your own. For 1:5 R, you will be making 8 R, 8000 over 10 trades with a 30% win rate. And for 1:6 R, you just calculate it. It will be very easier. After seeing all these exercises, you can easily do it. And for example, I am showing you 1000 as a risk on a 1 lakh capital by risking 1% on each trade. If that is a 1:4 risk reward ratio, you have 30% win rate, and 1:4 risk reward ratio or 1:5 risk reward ratio, you can make a 5000, which is equals to 5% on just 10 trades. With a 1:5 risk reward ratio, you can make 8000, which is equals to 8%, and in just 10 trades. This is a secret, but holding on to 1:4 risk reward trades and 1:5 risk reward rates is not easy. It is very difficult. I'm going to discuss about that next. Do you think it is easy to hold on to 30% win rate and 1:4 or 1:5 risk reward ratio trades? It is not easy. A lot of people are going to search for a holy grail strategy where it's going to get money all the times, but it is not possible, and they won't even find that. They need to understand there is going to be a win rate of less than 50%. It is very difficult to trade with a 30% win rate system, but that is the reality. Not all the people can accept this reality. Only few people can understand this, and they can accept it, and they can wait for bigger rewards while they are in good trades. That is the key. When you know you are not going to win a lot, you should win big amounts when you are winning, when you are in a profitable trades. That's why you need to get at least good amounts of reward. But it doesn't work on all days and on all weeks. When the market is choppy, you won't get this kind of rewards at all times. Let's get into the next numbers. I hope you understood everything. At least for me to be slightly profitable, I need to be in this range, 1:3 risk reward ratio. Let's check where I am and how I am performing, what I can improve. Next, let's calculate average profitable amount and average loser amount. That is average winning trades amount and average losing trades amount. Here these are average profitable trades. Here these are the profitable trades amounts. Let's check them in Excel sheet. 2,900, 200 and 4,200. These are the three numbers. I'm going to add these three numbers and divide it by 3. And the average winner amount is, or average profitable trades amount is 2,433. And for losing trades also, it's the same. I'm going to add all the trades and I'm going to divide it by 7. Here I'm adding this break-even trades to losing trades, so the calculation will become easier. For that purpose, I am adding this to losing trades. I am not adding to winners, so that win rate will be modified. So that's why I am maintaining the low win rate of 30%. If I add this break-even trades to winners, win rate will be become 40%. I don't want to modify that. I want as less as possible win rate, because that is the reality in trading. I know that. That's why I am adding this break-even trade to losing trade as well, so that by adding this to losing trades, I won't think that I'll be getting a decent amount of a win rate. I'm not going to get that. That's why I have added this to losing trades. These are the losing trades. These are the 7 losing trades divided by 7. And the average loser amount is 1814. And here I'm adding the table once again so that you can see these clearly. If you want to verify it here, you can see these numbers and compare them on this page itself. That's why I have added the table here. That's all. And average winner amount is 2433. and average loser amount is 1814. I hope you are clear till this point. If you have any doubts, you can post it in comments. I'll address them in next week's video. And next I want to calculate the relationship between these two numbers. Earlier we discussed a risk reward ratio. So the risk reward ratio, we can calculate it here on per trade basis. Here I am winning 1.9. Let's assume 1.9 and 1.4 RR. This is not even countable, it's a waste thing. 0.1 R, you can assume it as 0.1 R. And on a total trades and total 10 trades, if I want to calculate, I can do that here. I can take the average winner amount and average loser amount. I can calculate the entire system's RR or my entire 10 trades RR risk reward. I can calculate it. I can do that by dividing average winner with the average loser. Here I am calculating the risk reward winner, average winner amount divided by average loser amount. My risk reward is 1.34, which is not a good thing. For my 30% win rate, we discussed earlier that I need a 1:3 RR to be slightly profitable and to make 2 R over 10 trades. But I am not even making a 1:3 R in this week. Current week I am not able to make because the market is choppy and I am not able to catch a big trade. So that's the problem. If I was able to catch a big trade, the entire metrics would be different. Not every week is same. Every week is different. We'll get a different kind of trades every week. So as far as what I have traded and based on closing trades, my risk reward is 1.34. So which is not good. I need to improve this risk reward ratio. We'll discuss and what are all the issues I need to fix next in next coming trading sessions. I'm going to discuss those as well. And let's calculate the expectancy. Based on this expectancy, we can see in the next 100 trades or 500 trades what is going to happen. Based on these 10 trades, it is a small sample, but you'll get an idea based on your 10 or 20 sample trades, and you can modify your trading system or your risk reward ratio based on that to adjust for your needs. To calculate the expectancy of your trading system, here I'm calculating for my entire last week's trades. You can calculate the expectancy with this form: average winner multiplied by winning rate and subtracting this value from average loser multiplied by losing rate. Average winner is 2433, average loser is 1814, win rate is 0.3, that is 30%. We have already calculated it, and losing rate is 0.7, that is 70%. And if we put it all this information in the formula, 2433 multiplied by 0.3, 1814 multiplied by 0.7, 730 minus 1270, expectancy is 540. So on a per trade basis, I'm losing 540 rupees. That is true. If we check the table, I have lost 5400 on these 10 trades. Even if we divide this by total number of trades, you can get this number. But if you have a lot of trades, or if you want to check some sample numbers, you can go through that formula and you can get that expectancy directly from here as well. You need to know what is happening and why is that happening. That's why I have explained all these things, everything. You need to know from basics. You need to know what to do, where the problem is. So that's why I have explained all these things. In overall 10 trades, I lost 5400. So that's true. This system is going to lose 54,000 if I'm trading next 100 trades. But I know this same results won't repeat next week. Next week may be different. Maybe we can get a trending market. The entire equation will change. But as far as 1 week's trades, this is going to happen. If I perform the same thing, I'm going to lose 54,000 rupees on the next 100 trades. If I take 10 trades in a week, this is going to happen next 10 weeks. That is 2.5 months. I hope you are clear on that. Using this, we can project our trading results. That's what I said. You need expectancy to project your trading results. If your expectancy is positive on a sample of 20 trades or 50 trades or 100 trades, as many trades as you include, you will get the better picture of your trading system. It is better to calculate this based on per strategy, so that you'll get an idea of that entire strategy. And next here, I have missed one more thing, that I haven't added the brokerage to this expectancy system. So I want to add brokerage to this expectancy. I'm going to calculate entire brokerage. For the 10 trades, brokerage is 4,400, and if I divide it by 10 trades, the per trade brokerage is 440 rupees. And I want to add this brokerage to the expectancy. So this is the same formula. I'm going to add average brokerage at the end. at the end, so that we can get the expectancy with brokerage. So everything is same till here. I have added brokerage. These two numbers are same, and I added brokerage. Total expectancy is minus 980. So on a per trade, I am going to lose. I have lost 980 rupees last week. That means in the last 10 trades I have lost 9,800 including brokerage. Let's check the table once again. Trades table. That is true. This is a brokerage column. I have added is 4,400 and 5,400. Total 9,800. 9,800 is the amount. So if I execute the trades in the same manner in the next 100 trades, this is what is going to happen. I'm going to lose 98,000 in the next 100 trades, which is in the next 10 weeks. That is 2.5 months. This is how you can project your trading results. That's simple. If your expectancy is positive, you are going to make the profits. If your expectancy is negative, you are going to lose. You need to modify your systems or risk reward ratios or whatever it is. This is a saying, you need to modify it. That's all. Let's check in Excel. Let's check my trades table. Here these are the trades, and I have shown you just the trades. If I zoom out, you can see the entire information what I have added here. Here I have added strategy also and entry times. These are also important to know what's happening with these strategies and when it's working and when it's not working based on the entry timings or exit timings. Here these are the total trades, winners, losers, you know all this information. Win-loss ratio, we have already seen how to calculate it, and average winner amount and average loser amount. Here I have used formulas to calculate these amounts based on these numbers, and the average brokerage is 440 from this number. I am calculating it from this number, and the win-loss ratio, we have discussed about this risk reward. Average win-loss ratio is a risk reward which is 1.34, which is not at all good, and the expectancy is 980 included with brokerage. I traded a negative expectancy system last week because I was not able to catch the big moves. If I was able to catch the big moves here on this trade, I should have captured almost 100 extra points. That would be equals to 20,000. If I add that number, the entire equation is going to change. I'm going to be in a positive territory with 1,019 rupees as a positive expectancy per trade, and here is the total amount 14,600 positive. If I subtract this 4,400, I am going to be positive with 10,200, but I haven't captured that, and here you can see the average winner amount is 9,100 and average loser amount is 1,800. It's the same, and the average win-loss ratio 1:5. This is what I'm talking about, but I haven't captured this. There is a chance, but I missed it because I trailed a few pennies. If you want, you can watch this Thursday 24th November's video, live trading video. I'm not in the trade. I just exited. After I exited 1 hour or 1.5 hours later, market moved very quickly and it reached a target. It moved almost 100 points. If I have cashed 100 points, that would be equivalent to this amount. The entire equation would be changing. So I want to be in this kind of trades. So I haven't captured. That's why my expectancy fell and the entire equation changed. So let's see next week. Next week may be different thing. May see a different results. As far as what I've done, this is the thing. My risk reward ratio is 1.34. Next week it's going to change if the market is not choppy. And here I have listed based on the strategies. IRB means initial range breakout. Only these two trades worked out. IRB trade on Monday and IRB trade on 24th November. These are the only two trades that are in winning side. And DL reversal means day slow reversal, DH reversal means days high reversal, and consolidation BO means consolidation breakout. Trade taken after consolidation breakout. So this day slow reversal, 5 trades I have taken. 5 trades are losses, and days high reversal I have taken 2 trades, and 1 trade is a loss, 1 trade is a break even, and a consolidation breakout I have taken 1 trade, 1 trade is break even. So you can see this day slow reversal and a days high reversal is not working, and the time frame at which I have taken these trades is not at all good. I wanted to modify some of the rules by seeing these results. Let's week I am going to do that, and I am going to follow my trading rules and the trading system. And one more important thing is I followed my trading rules and my trading systems, everything I did. And the one important thing that I did is, as per my planned risk, I exited it exactly at the risk, and my failing trades RR is -1 hour exactly. Here you can see -1 hour. This is even less, -1 hour. I haven't tried the hope game. I just exited exactly at the point I planned. I haven't waited in the trade, and here it is also 0.45 or negative and -1 hour. Most of the people will fail here. If you are failed here, it is an important thing to fix. Otherwise, you won't be able to succeed in this game. If you are giving too much money to market than your planned SL, you have to fix that issue. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to become profitable or sustain in this business, trading business. Let's check the solution for my issues. Here I have added a simple solution for myself. My current week's winning rate is 30%. I'm okay with it because I can win big when I'm going to win. So I know that. And my risk reward ratio is 1.34, which is not at all good thing. And if I'm risking 1000, I'm gaining 1340 on a profitable trade. If you want to check what's happening with the 1.34 hour, you just check this second section, risk reward section, where I calculated for 1:1, 1:2 and 1:3 risk reward ratios. You just put this number, plug this number, 1.34 risk reward ratio, and you just calculate it. You will understand what's going to happen with this 1.34 risk reward ratio with a 30% winning rate. You will clearly understand it's going to lose money. Here I'm showing you with my 30% winning ratio, I need a minimum of 1:3 risk reward ratio, and I'm going to make more than that. My more than 1:3. I can say anything, but numbers don't lie. This is one of the important things. Anyone can say anything, but the numbers don't lie. I can say I'm a 1:3 trader or 1:5 trader or 1:10 trader, but that's all talk. But the reality is, last week I'm a 1:3.4 trader. I just plugged in this number. If I have 100 points more profit, I'm going to be 1:5 trader. This is just an assumption and not at all true, because I just changed the numbers. It is not true. Whatever I have traded and done, that is the truth. As per my current numbers, I'm 1.34 reward trader. That's the truth is, and nobody will be able to accept it. I know I accepted it, and I'm going to improve it next week. If the next week's market supports, I'm going to be on a winning side. I'm going to improve next week these things, and let's see what happens in next week's results. And previously also I said I'm following my trading rules and risk management. If you are not following your trading rules, or if you don't have any trading rules, you should create them and you should follow your risk management. If you have planned 50 points of SL and you are giving 60 or 70 points, that's fine. That will be like 1.25 or 1.3 or minus 1.3 or. If you are giving 100 points or 150 points, if you have planned 50 points and you are giving 100 points or 150 points as SL, that's not a good thing. You have to fix it. And I don't allow, if I planned 50 points, I'll just exactly exit at 50 points or less than that. If the trade works in my favor, I'll trail my SL and I'll exit at less than the risk I have planned, because I know that is not the only trade I'm going to trade. I'm going to trade hundreds of trades and thousands of trades. So I'm going to trail my SL if the trade works out. If the trade is not working out, I'll exactly exit at the point where I planned. I'm not allowing my risk to cross more than what I planned. This is the important thing. You should also implement it. And by using this information and all the things I discussed, you can calculate your expectancy, your trades or systems expectancy, and don't forget to add the brokerage. You should add your brokerage. After brokerage, calculate your expectancy. That is what you are going to make in the next 100 trades or 1000 trades or 10,000 trades. It took 1 week for me to take 10 trades. And for 100 trades, it will take me 10 weeks. For 1000 trades, you can calculate it will take 100 weeks. It's an approximate number. Just it is called projection. If I am projecting, that is what is going to happen with these numbers. But I'm not going to allow it to happen. Negative expectancy next week and next coming weeks, because I know where to fix it, what to do. I hope you learned something out of this video. If you learned something useful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your trading friends and trading groups or channels wherever you are in. If you want this Excel file and the PDF file, email me on my email. Send me an email to my email ID. This is my email ID, and use this subject. Send me PDF and Excel files for analyze your trading results. Use this subject and send me an email. I'll share you these files. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next week's video. And next week's video, I'm not going to discuss all these things. I'll just directly go to analyzing my weekly results. This is the first week, so I have shown you everything, all these things, how to do everything. And you should remember this thing: numbers don't lie. My numbers, your numbers, anyone's numbers don't lie. That's the truth. And one more quote you should remember: if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends. This is going to change someone's life.